Good morning, students. Welcome to the part 1 video of science class on chapter number 10 Respiration in Organisms. Why do we respire? We respire to get energy from food. Food contains energy. When we respire, the food is broken down in the cells of our body with the help of oxygen and energy is released. So, what is called respiration? It is a process by which food is broken down in the cells of the body with the help of oxygen to release energy. Since respiration takes place in cells of body, it is called cellular respiration. Glucose plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. There are two types of respiration. They are aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. The respiration in which glucose is broken down in the presence of oxygen to release carbon dioxide, water and energy is known as aerobic respiration. It takes place in most of the organisms. Anaerobic respiration, the respiration in which glucose is broken down in the absence of oxygen to release alcohol, carbon dioxide and energy is known as anaerobic respiration. It takes place in yeast. In anaerobic respiration in our muscle cells, glucose is broken down in the absence of oxygen to release lactic acid and energy. Breathing. Breathing is a process by which oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is released out with the help of the respiratory organs. The taking in of oxygen is called inhalation and the giving out of carbon dioxide is called exhalation. The number of times a person breathes in a minute is called breathing rate. That is, number of breath per minute. When a person needs more energy, he breathes faster. Then more oxygen will reach to the cells. So more food is broken down and more energy is released. How do we breathe? The respiratory system helps in breathing. What are the main parts of the respiratory system? The main parts of respiratory system are nostrils, nasal cavity, windpipe, lungs and diaphragm. Breathing involves the rib cage and muscular sheet below the chest cavity called diaphragm. During inhalation, that is breathing in, the chest cavity increases in size and diaphragm moves down and air enters into the lungs. During exhalation, that is when breathing out, the chest cavity reduces in size and diaphragm moves up and air is pushed out of the lungs. Here you can see the human respiratory system.